Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Peedrey. In this channel we drop daily analysis on boom and crash, and if you are a beginner, kindly subscribe to this channel, and I want you to make use of this channel to analyze your daily trade and your weekly trade. And this trade will help you with my free signal on my Telegram group. It will help you to achieve a lot of things as a beginner. So today we are going to check what is going to happen in Crash 1000. So in Crash 1000, as I used to tell you people, please trade with the lowest loss size. And as Crash 1000, we check our day, we check our hours, and we check our minutes before we enter trade. So starting from today, we are going to be checking our day one. What is day one analysis? You see, the one analysis is my trend leader is telling me that the trade is in what is in uptrend level, while my 4 hours time frames is still what is still on uptrend. My 1 hour time frames is in uptrend. My 30-minute time frames is also in what is in uptrend. You see, that means the market is going up, while my 15-minute time frames said the market is on a what on a downward on a downtrend. And we have a 5-minute time frame here. It said the market is on a what on the uptrend. Is here indicate that there is going to be a downward, then here it indicate that there is going to be a what in upward trend, which you see now. You see the live trade that is running on what on Crash 1000. You see I'm having a what a running trade on what on this live account. So now I've checked everything. My day one telling me that the trade is in uptrend. My 15-minute, 30-minute, and my 5-minute, that is where I used to take my trade. So before I take my trade, I check my 30 minutes, my 15 minutes, my 5 minutes, maybe the 3 minutes agree. So this 30 minutes now, you see the trade is an uptrend. My 15-minute time frames, it says in downward trend, and also my 5 minutes time frame, it says in uptrend. So the 3 does not agree, so I have to look very patient, then find another means for me to trade. So I check my 15-minute time frames, my 5-minute time frames, and my 1-minute time frames. So I check my 15-minute time frames is in down trade. My 5-minute time frames is in what is in downtrend, and my 1-minute time frames is in downtrend. So I have to follow my rules and my regulation very well. When these 3 minutes agree, then I'm going to enter the trade. But the reason why I enter this trade is that in my 5-minute time frames, I have a very good indicator that analyzed to me. They even draw up the chart for me for easy use. You see, it dropped a chart for me that the trade is going on a what on a uptrend level, is on a what on a uptrend level, and this is the reason why I enter this trade. This is the reason I enter this trade. You see now I'm having close to $1 already now, making in profit. You see that. So this is how you can what analyze your trade every day, and also this will help you. This channel will help you to analyze your daily trade and your weekly trade. So stay tuned with this channel and subscribe to this channel, and click on the notified button to notify you when next I drop my next video. And also I have a Telegram group that you can join to receive a free signal, 100% free signal. There I'm not going to charge you anything, because I know as a beginner it takes a lot before you to grow. I'm going to be releasing a free signal, there. You see now, this is the boom that I open, and I open it at 0.22 loss size, and I'm having $146 there. And also I have a buy here too that is running on close to $1, which we just indicate now. So I have a lot of strategy that I use to take my trade daily. And you see from here I'm going to what sell a lot. So that is how it happens on Crash 1000. So for this week now, let's check what is going to happen for this week. We are having a uptrend from day one, and my 15 minutes time frames is said is on the downtrend. And what happened in 1 minute time frame is in uptrend, and on 5 minutes is an uptrend. So 15 minutes is a downtrend. So what is going to happen on this market for the next 3 days or a week? We are going to be having uptrend little bit, then we are going to be having downtrend little bit, then we are going to be having uptrend little bit before we have a downtrend, to respect my 15-minute time frame. So the market is going to be like this for the whole 3 days or a week. So subscribe to these channels to have more updates on what is going to happen on boom and crash. Thanks.